बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class in High School, name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn class 9 maths chapter number 4, Factorization exercise 4.1, question number 4, Sindh Board, part 4. Question number 4, factorize the following. My dear 9th class students, there are solving of methods. First, take common method. Second, Blitzcrank. Third, formulas. Fourth, combination of these three. But in question number 1 and question number 2, we use take common method. In question number 3, we use only formulas. But in question number 4, we will use take common method and formulas both. And now there are 6 steps. Okay. First, write question. Second, take common. Third, put values in brackets. Fifth, solve. And sixth, use left hand side. First of all, write question. I have done. Second, take common. Now we'll take common. 2 is common here. A is common here. B cube is common here. Okay. Make a bracket. 2 is out. 1a is out. A square is remaining. Minus sign. 2 8 is 16. 1a is out. 1 is remaining. 3b out. 1b is remaining. Plus, but how? Into table 32 comes. Look. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 here. 2 6 are 12. 16. 1a is out. 3b and 2b is out. 2b's are means b square are remaining. Now you have done take common. Third, formula in rougher. Bracket a plus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Done. Now fourth, put values in brackets. But listen to me. With solving, the big bracket will be continue with us. First of all, this bracket minus 2 bracket plus bracket. A means whole square. Okay. Now we will do A and B value. A means first term a square. These are factor of a square. This factor will become out a. Means a is here. B for last term 16b power 2 power square 16. These are factor of 16. This one 4 will become here. These are factor of b square. This factor will become here. 4 and b. Okay. Means a is here, a what value is in bracket. Now we will come to fifth. Solve. Now we will solve it. A square. This left hand side will become as it is and a big bracket 1, 2. A square minus 2. 2 2 the 4. Sorry, 4 2 the 8. A and B. Plus sign. 4 4 the 16. B square as it is. Done this solving. Now let's come to sixth one. Use left hand side. This is here. Now this left hand side, make a bracket. A means A as it is and a whole square 2. Minus B means 4B. Okay? 4B. This one will be come out means 2AB cube bracket A minus 4B square and its whole square. And it is your answer. The book's answers are written, you can check it. 2AB cube, A minus 4B whole square, A minus 4B whole square, okay? No subscribe, no like, only share.